y'all doing?
Hide from the bad guys. So, shh, shh.
What bad guys?
Their name is Shallow Loose and Lucy. But that is the good Shallow Loose, and this is the good Shallow, and this is the good Lucy. Yeah. Stop. There.
Jenna, gentle, baby.
Oh. Shh. Shh.
Oh no!
They're coming in here. Shh. Stop.
Why?
Because the bad guys are coming.
There's no bad guys.
There is.
What? No, there's not.
They're invisible.
They're not invisible. There's no invisible bad guys.
If there is pretending.
Why would you want to pretend that?
They already killed our sisters.
Hey, stop. Like your dolls.
Thank you.
Are they taller than you?
Yes. Shh, shh. And they're not dolls.